YouTube channel Danspirations by Ritvi. I am here with a Garba tutorial. As we all know, Garba is usually played in a circle. So whenever we do different Garba steps, we usually combine it with basic leg movements or some kind of spins that help you to keep on moving around in the circle, as Garba cannot be played at one place. So here I am to help you out with that. I hope you all are ready for the exciting 7 minutes coming your way. Let's go. Alright, so starting with the very basic spin that you do with your legs. So your right leg comes forward and you can tilt your body to your left. Usually all the circles are taken from your left side. So you take your right leg forward, turn your body to your left. Now the left leg which is behind, you bring that leg forward to join back to the position where you started from. Alright, so you go right, turn your body, left leg coming forward and joining your legs. You just take the help of the other leg to twist with the heel or the toe, whatever suits you more. So you go forward, turn and twist. Yes, forward, turn and twist to join. Okay, you can add any variations in the hands. Just a spin, you can just keep your hands there itself. I will show you in a circle. You go 1, 2, I'm taking my leg forward and then just turn. So this is the hopping step in which you lift your right thigh up and you jump on your left toe at the same time simultaneously. It goes 1 and you drop it down. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Lift your left thigh and jump on your right toe. 2 and drop it down. So up, drop, hop, drop, hop, drop, hop, drop. Trying it in a circle, maybe we can do it half and half. Right hop at the back, and when you do the left hop, you are again back to the forward position. So it goes right and left, right and left. And in the circle, it can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually there is a confusion with this step and the previous step, which is the hopping one. The difference is, in the hopping one we take our leg down, we drop it down. In this one we take it up, we jump upwards and bending our knees. So we take our right knee up, instead of the thigh we take it up and you again jump on the left toe, same like the previous step. So it goes 1. Same thing to the other side, 2, jumping on the other leg. So up, toe, up, toe, up, toe, up, toe. Yes, doing it in half and half, just like the hop, it goes right and left, right and left. There are variations like twisting the hip. So instead of taking it here, it goes a little sideways and you twist, twist, twist. Trying both of them in the circle. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is with the heels. So you take your right heel ahead, you bring it back, you take the Langri position and then you step the left heel out. You jump on one leg, heel, jump, heel. Add your own grace by bending a little to the side. You can drop your hand, same hand like your leg. For the beginners, you can do a 4 heel step for the spin. Once you get it, if you want to increase the speed, you can do it in 2 heels, that is right and left. You finish a circle in 2 heels. In the circle, it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the tapping step in which you tap your right leg to start the step and you tap your right leg again to end the step. Your left leg is just supporting you to twist on the toe. So it goes tap, twist, tap, tap, twist, tap. Yes, In the circle also we can do it, on the place also. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yes, in the circle we can go like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I am just using my right leg, left leg is just supporting. So the next step is the shuffle step. Shuffling is basically when you hit one of the leg to move to the other side. You hit to move to the other side. So in Garba it happens like right toe and then you hit to move to the right. Left, hit, left. Right, hit, right. Left, hit, left. One leg is hitting the other to move to the side. Now you don't need to necessarily make such big steps. It can be like really small shuffles also. You can even do it on the place. Just bounce, 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 bounce. How will the circle come? Half and half. So right toe you reach half, left toe you come forward again. So 1 and 2. Okay. Innumerable variations with the hands. Let's try in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this step basically goes like you tap your right leg, jump on left, tap your left, jump on right, tap your right, jump left, right, left. How will the circle happen? Half and half. So it goes right, jump left, jump right, jump left. The circular one goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so are you all ready to try all of these 7 on music, one after the other? I would recommend you not to try all of them at the same time. You might feel dizzy. Like this tutorial. Well, there are many more spins and many more steps to learn. So if you all want me to make more such videos, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, I have kept a virtual Garba workshop in October wherein you can learn a lot of variations and combinations of Garba steps. The details of the workshop are in the description below, and also you can follow me on Instagram for more details. Do like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for further notifications. Alright, happy Navratri. Thank you so much. Bye.